provision of the law.
There is no redundancy.
Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, if I just further what my distinguished colleague has just said, you don't want, from what I've been able to understand of your submission, you don't want an interpretation, albeit you call it a progressive interpretation. You want to attach, and this is taking the point further that Justice Fan has mentioned, you want deletion of the word secured and one from the Constitution, or you don't want these words, or you want these words to be rendered meaningless?
No, I don't want either of them, and
that would be the natural consequence.
No, it will not be the natural. Let me read my 2 points and then I'll answer all 3 questions.
फैसल साहब,
मैं फिर ये तीनों सवाल एक ही
अब पढ़ने अपने टेक्स्ट अब देखिए।
जी, this is a exceptional case. जी, पहले ये बताइए, an enlisted party. जी, because I went through the order of the election commission, which was passed prior to the elections. जी, because one of the councils has placed it on record now. जी, जी. Mr. Salman Akram Raja. जी, जी. They have confused the entire matter on the basis of that the symbol was taken away. Ji. So since the symbol was taken away, therefore it is no more a political party. Ji. But yet they recognize it as an enlisted political party. Yes. Now, as an enlisted political party, how does a party secure or win an election? Because the symbol, to my mind, is not relevant. Yes. So a enlisted political party not necessarily has to have a common symbol to secure a general seat. Yes. So that is what needs to be determined. Yes. Neither the expression secure nor the expression one will become redundant, because the question is that even the Election Commission recognizes both the parties as enlisted political parties. Yes. Now, without a symbol, common symbol, how do they secure or win an election? That's a question. Yes.
Mr. Siddiqui, if I can just continue with the observations of my other distinguished colleagues, Justice Athar Manila, that PTI continued to exist after the decision, continues to exist today, continued to exist as a political party, then why did these independents not join PTI? Simple. Didn't you commit suicide yourself?
No.
You, of course, are representing, now you have a conflict of interest. You think you don't have a conflict of interest, you have a great conflict of interest. Make up your mind who you represent before us.
Sir,
so you could have simply said, we want to join PTI, end of story.
I couldn't have, and I'll explain why. मैं पहले इस सवाल का, क्योंकि this is at this stage of the argument, let me address these 3 similar questions.
Finish reading it and then address as you please.
Mr. Faisal, ये भी सुन लीजिए जरा इधर प्लीज. ये रूल 92 देखिए, रूल 92 का सब रूल 2 जो है, जो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने रूल फ्रेम किए हैं, इससे पता चलता है कि सिक्योर और वॉन का लफ्ज इंटरचेंजेबली यूज हो रहा है.
जी जी.
काइंडली रीड्स सब रूल 2.
जी जी. Rule 92.
जी, sub
rule 2. The members to fill seats reserved for women in the National Assembly allocated to a province shall be elected through proportional representational system of political parties. List of candidates submitted to the commission on the basis of total number of general seats 1.
Total number general seats 1. यहाँ secure का लफ्ज नहीं है, constitution में secure है. It means that the election commission is construing the word, using the word interchangeably.
Yes. Not only that, if your lordships look at the constitution itself, it uses the word secure in the main provision and uses the one in the proviso.
You see, the thing is that the question whether they are independent candidates has to be, who's calling them independent candidates? Election Commission.
Yes.
It's not a binding finding.
Yes.
After all, these are people, as per the parent statute, who filed nomination forms saying they are candidates of the PTI.
Yes.
So they remain throughout candidates of PTI irrespective of the election symbol.
Yes.
So if they are already members of the PTI, post-election, the returned candidates, I mean, speaking for myself, no question arises of them subsequent